Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace a damaged lock cylinder in a Honda Accord. This one was damaged by someone trying to break in. Looks like they shoved a screwdriver in the lock cylinder and messed it up. So what first we're going to do is open the door, and on the jamb of the door you can see that there's black plug. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver and get in behind there and pop that plug out. And then we are going to use a T30 Torx bit, and you can just use this on a extension and a ratchet. I'm just using my DeWalt Impact, and there is a bolt inside there. We're going to run that bolt out, but the bolt is going to stay inside the door, so it's not going to come out with the bit. It's going to stay inside the door. And then we're going to come back to the outside of the door here, and just going to pull out on the handle with one hand, and with the other hand just pull out on the cap, and the end cap will come off along with the whole cylinder assembly. And so we're going to be replacing two different parts. So they got the cylinder, and that includes the shaft here, and then also we're going to be replacing the cap. If your cap isn't damaged, then you can just reuse the same cap. I got a new cylinder and then also a new cap, two different parts. But both of them are available at your local Honda dealership. Just have your VIN ready and they'll be able to get the right part for you. So we're going to take a small flathead screwdriver and we're going to just pry on the cylinder on the flat side of the cap, and it just pops it right out. And here's my new cylinder, and you can see the part number there. But again, call your local Honda dealership and they'll be able to hook you up with the right part. And what comes with the cylinder is the cylinder, and it's included as the shaft, and then also a new set of keys that will work with that cylinder. And then here is the cap, and you can pause it to get the part number, but each part number is going to vary depending on the color of the vehicle because it comes pre-painted. So to install the cylinder, we're going to hold the cap in one hand, and with the other we're going to hold the cylinder, and that notch on the cylinder there is going to lay into that part of the cap. So you want to lay that in first and then rotate the cylinder towards the flat side of the cap, and it'll clip in. And just give it a little wiggle, make sure it's secured and it's in there. And now it's time to go ahead and reinstall it. So to reinstall it, we're going to pull the handle out and insert the shaft into the door. And you want to make sure that shaft goes into the lock mechanism inside the door. When you look inside the door, you can kind of see where it's supposed to go. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to tighten this up, and then we'll come back and we're going to check it to make sure it works. We're going to use the key that's provided with the new cylinder and make sure the lock mechanism is working, and that way we know we have it installed properly. And so once we double check it and we make sure that once we turn it, it locks, and then turn it the other way and it unlocks and everything's functioning properly, then you're all set. And that is how you change your lock cylinder. Thanks for watching, guys.